Hey everybody, welcome to Outdoor Inspirations. I'm Kevin. Today we're looking at a really neat perennial called rosemary. And this is an amazing plant to have in your garden also for cooking. And the smell of this plant is totally amazing, isn't it, Blake?
Oh yeah.
We smelled this earlier, but you know, rosemary is used in a lot of entrees?
Yeah.
Cooking dishes. It's got a little bit of winter creeper growing through from the fence screening behind it, but as you can see, it's getting about 4 feet tall. This is a mature mass planting of rosemary. And if we look in here, Blake, you'll see it's very dense and woody. These are heavy duty stems. So this is a full-on woody ornamental at this point, you know, so very hardy, evergreen, smells amazing, brings sprigs in to cook with inside, and it repels deer great. So if you have some high-prone plants that's in your garden that you're trying to push away on the old deer, people plant some rosemary around. That's kind of some kind of barrier. So deer do not like this, so it'll help protect your tender plants that the deer are more prone to eat. So some things that some things you can do with rosemary is, you know, as long as you have some taller plants behind it, it can be a front accent. A lot of people will take the rosemary and put them into containers as nice potted plants. And, you know, mass planting these like they kind of have here, where you want to take up some good bed space, but not be overly tall and aggressive as far as overpowering looking. To me, this is a very great size right here. I'm very comfortable because I'm so tall with 4 feet or so. But to me, that's the most useful size. And everybody's always looking for short plants out there, but there really isn't that many to choose from that stays under 4 feet tall. So rosemary is a great candidate for something 4 foot or less that'll give you year-round interest, deer resistant, drought resistant, pest and disease tolerance is awesome. So, I mean, this is a very well-rounded plant to add to your next garden. So, really cool plant, and we like it a lot. If you have any other suggestions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a great day.